and today I am going to make a videos of Suryanamaskar. If you will watch this video till the end, then only you will know about the Suryanamaskar and the benefits of the Suryanamaskar. Hope you all are. So let's go start. Stand facing the sun. Join your both the palm together and bring it in front of your chest. Join your both the feet together. Take deep breath, inhale and stretch your hand as much as you will. Hold for 5 seconds. 5. Relax. Exhale and forward bend. Bend forward. Hold for 5 seconds. If possible, then try to touch your palm on the ground. If not, then you can do like this. Inhale and take your left leg backward. Look towards the sky. Make sure your front knee must be touching on your chest. Rest your left leg on the floor. Rest your heel on the ground. Look towards the sky. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Take your right leg backward. Both heels should be touching on the ground. Look towards your navel. Stay on this position 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Touch your knee on the ground, chest and chin. You should not touch your hips on the ground. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and place the body up to navel. Look towards the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Exhale and come back to the mountain pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and bring your left leg in the front. Rest your right leg on the ground. Rest your heel on the ground. Make sure your right knee must touching on your chest. Look towards the sky. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. And bring your right leg in the front and join both together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Inhale and stretch your hand backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Namaskar. Shall we do once more time? 1, Suryanamaskara is a complete exercise. All the body parts and joints become strong and disease free. It makes the stomach, intestine, heart and lungs healthy. It makes the spinal cord and waist flexible and cures their deformities. It regulates the blood circulation in the entire body, and in this way it removes the impurities of blood and also cures skin disease. The muscles of hands, leg, shoulder and thigh become stronger and tone up. It increases mental peace, strength, energy and vitality of the body. It is especially useful in diabetes. Suryanamaskara makes the entire body disease free. Suryanamaskar helps the entire body become disease free, gain strength and energy. It reactivates all the body parts and enables regulations of hormonal secretions of all the internal glands. If possible, perform this exercise at sunrise. According to capacity, 11 to 21 repetition can be done.